Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 8 for the subject of history. Chapter 15, Agencies of the United Nations. Starting on page number 163 of your textbook, titled Past and Present Aid, and is being submitted to you on 26 July 2021. This voice is of Millie Bhatnagar. Students, we have already studied about the United Nations Organization and its organs. The UN has several specialized agencies through which it operates. These work for the social and economic development of the countries. Each agency has a particular agenda that it follows worldwide. In this chapter, we will study about some of these agencies. The World Health Organization. The WHO was established on 7 April 1948. The headquarters of WHO is in Geneva. Functions: to help countries improve their health system by bringing improvement in the health services, nutrition, sanitation, and hygiene. Number 2, to set international standards for life-saving drugs. Number 3, to organize seminars, conferences, workshops, and issue health journals. Number 4, to send health specialists to different countries to spread awareness regarding health. The International Labour Organization is a United Nations agency whose aim is to advance social and economic justice through setting international labour standards. Its headquarters are also in Geneva. Functions: creation of international labour standards for wages, working hours, working conditions, insurance, safety, etc. Number 2, formulation of international labor policies. Number 3, to create awareness among the workers about their rights so that there is no exploitation. The Food and Agriculture Organization leads international effort to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security. It was founded in October 1945. Its headquarters are in Rome. Functions: it advises government on policy and planning. It serves as an international forum for discussing food and agricultural issues and approving international standards. It helps eliminate hunger, food insecurity, and malnutrition. The UNICEF was established by the General Assembly in 1946 to help the children affected by the Second World War. Now it provides humanitarian and development assistance to children and their mothers in developing countries. Its name has been shortened from the original United Nations Children's Emergency Fund. Its headquarters are in New York, USA. Functions: it provides assistance to member countries in providing nutritious food and adequate medical facilities to women and children. It provides immediate relief to mothers and children during epidemic, natural disaster, or war. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, was founded in 1945 to promote peace, security, and cooperation among nations by means of education, science, culture, and communication. Its headquarters are in Paris. Functions: to work for expansion of literacy and education in different countries of the world, to work towards universalization of primary education, to establish scientific centers and promote the spread of scientific knowledge through journals, magazines, and bulletins, to make effort for the preservation of cultural heritage of the member countries. The United Nations Development Programme, the UNDP, was formed in 1965 to help countries eliminate poverty and achieve sustainable human development, an approach to economic growth that emphasizes improving the quality of life of its citizens while conserving the environment and natural resources for future development. Its headquarters are in New York. Students, with this, we end this video on the main agencies of the United Nations. Thank you.